What's up, ZX Forums, Kai Forums? This is Alex Lexus, ZX Ninja, and pardon the garage for being a mess. Got the Predator helmets, and just a big gaggle mess, but I gotta get this fixed. But anyway, this is part 2 to my charging issue. Turns out, this battery, I had it for a little bit. It will get this charge, but under the load test, it failed, like, miserably. So, it just got old. You know, probably overcharging. This started to warp on the top, too. This was the older battery beforehand. That doesn't even take a charge at all. So, I was like, alright. So, I got a new one inside the house, but now we know that the rectifier, the OEM one that was in the bike, it works better than this aftermarket one. So this one's gonna be thrown away because the readings were coming up 13.5 or so. So I don't know if this regulator is shot, but the one in the bike was working. So we'll leave that. But what I'm also gonna be adding is a voltage monitor. I got this from Absolute Cycle in Rahway, New Jersey. Alright, so this I did like lead tests, making sure all was good. Got a switch that I mounted to the triple tree butterfly. Alright, negative and positive. Got a fuse bypass in here, and we're gonna put this on my bike, like right in here, same like the gear shift indicator. Most of you know my brother-in-law used to be my go-to guy for you know, doing some of these jobs, but he's at basic training. You know, wishing him the best of luck. He'll be graduating soon, so he's trying to be like his brother-in-law and become a soldier. But enough with the sidebars. I'm gonna do the videos in parts. I have double-sided tape on the back of the Voltmeter. It's gonna fit right in here. Alright, gonna have a nice like dash, and it lights up in blue. So I have a finished product video in there with everything set up. So just make sure you at least have about 6 feet of wire. It's better to have more than less, because as you can see, I had to join pieces of heavy duty wire together. You see, it's like nice and thick. But I'm gonna get that in there. The switch is gonna probably go in here somewhere. I'll figure it out, like probably on the inside or on the top or so. Yeah, I'll figure it out. Yeah, I think it'll probably go up there. But with that, maybe on the side. I'll figure it out. But that's what's gonna happen. So I'm just priming this for install, and then we'll be set to go. We'll be right. Alright folks, we are back. I had to run to Radio Shack to pick up some stuff. I went and got the T-taps. You're going to need these because high grade wire is kind of hard to use a Gillette blade. I had to cut this off over here, but this is going to be for the connectors to the battery, and quick splices over here. So I have to set that up just for this module right here, and then I'm gonna put one of the crimps on there so I can get it to the battery. But this is probably the quickest install I've done. The only reason why I'm spacing it out, the time-lapse part of the video, it went really quickly. You know, I put the switch right on the triple tree with the double-sided Gorilla tape. I highly recommend that. And then you got the voltmeter that's going to be sitting right with the Gorilla Tape in the back. I was originally going to zip tie it, but I made like a custom box off of a power brick for one of my old cell phones, so I was able to gut it and put that in there. But everybody has their own way, but it's gonna look good. It's gonna match the GI Pro, and we'll get set. Little update. These T-taps kind of sucked. The wire was so thick it kind of bent. It wasn't holding up. I guess it's meant for thinner wire. Alright, time for battery install. A little bit frustrated because I had to move some pieces around, but alright folks, here we are. Everything's installed. Make sure I got a good angle over here. Alright, I had to backtrack on a couple of things, but let's take a look. Alright, it's at 12.7 volts. Alright. Now I can take a stab, turn the voltmeter. Right. I'm low on gas, so it might kind of hiccup a little bit. Battery strong. Voltmeter shows about down to 12.4. We're going to do another on this. It's showing 12 point. This is a good spot for it. Alright, so pass the key. Drop down a little bit. Right there you have it, folks. Quick install of the voltmeter to my bike, so now I can monitor you know, the levels on it. So easy. I think it's very important to have that, especially if you see that your battery is degrading. You can make a conscious decision on long rides if you want to just go out for the long ride, or you know, do what you got to do. But this has been Alex Lexus ZX Ninja. Make sure you rate, comment, and subscribe. Shout out to Rezer Customs, Ghost Biker. Those guys have been good to me. And you know, shout out to Absolute Cycle and Rawway. Steve, thank you very much. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.